Oh, it's beautiful weather, isn't it? Hardly warm, but we've got some guys going to heat it up right here. This is Joe Warner from Warner Stellian. Joe was here with us last year. I think the weather was just about the same, wasn't it?
Nothing can stop me.
Nothing can stop grilling season.
Sure.
I'm one of those guys. There is no grilling season. It goes on year round. You've got a couple features here to show us and a big event to talk about. Where do you want to start?
Well, there's always kind of the age-old charcoal versus gas. And this looks like a gas grill, where this is obviously, this is a charcoal grill. This is a Kamado for grilling and slow cooking. But here is interesting because actually this is a hybrid. It's a Napoleon. So I've got the gas working right now, but actually you can set charcoal in on this one side, and you can actually use them both at the same time.
Really? So
Yeah.
you can be going gas on one, charcoal on the other?
Yeah, so you get that flavor, but also that quick startup, that quick heat. Very, very nice and innovative way to cook.
Let's return to this one real quick. It's got the look of the traditional grill, but this is one, if you're going to go slow cooking, long term, something like that, this is your guy.
Yeah, a Kamado, yeah, you could keep it at the same temperature, 200 degrees, on a day like this or worse, January, for 20 hours.
And you're good to go. Yeah. You're good to go. Price point on something like this?
This whole setup is about $1,700, but there are options that are under $1,000 in this as well.
Plenty of options, and we've got a sale we're going to talk about too. What do you got going for us food-wise this morning, Joe?
We're just doing basic steak and eggs. So steak, a couple bacon wrapped, eggs with some cheese in them, and in case anyone wants to wrap it up, we've got some good tortillas there. Look at that.
Guys, I got a snowblower.
Yes, Phil's got the snowblower just in case. You got your finished product over there. It's looking beautiful. Something like this, you've got a big event coming. If somebody wants to get into grilling season, you've got an event coming up this weekend that'll help them do just that.
Sure, the Grill Expo at all of our Warner Stellian stores will have experts out. You can come sample the fares and see how the grills work. See what your flavor is.
We want to correct something too on the screen. Now the screen says it's Friday, Saturday. It's actually Saturday, Sunday, correct?
Correct.
Saturday from 10 until 4 p.m., Sunday from noon until 4. All 7's Warner Stellian showrooms, Minneapolis outlet. You go to Carol 11 Sunrise to find out more. And you are our breakfast connection this morning.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Glad to be here.
I'm telling you, wonderful. Always good to have you back.
Thanks.
Thank you, my friend. We're going to send over to Sven, talk a little about the weather. Sven, there is no season for grilling.